Yes, so my correct people, I don't come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I wan share give all of una. The koko be say the rocky city of Idanre dem stand attention. Dem plaster on Sunday as the campaign train of Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa e roll enter inside Idanre sake of the upcoming gubernatorial primary election of the All Progressive Congress wey be APC. You see this particular campaign e be like carnival, because the kind people wey come attend am e plenty well well. The APC members and supporters of Governor Aiyedatiwa wey show up e massive. Upon say the venue of the event e dey expensive, but people still flood the whole place. APC members dem turn up woto and dem turn up from all parts of the Idanre local government area. Before I proceed on to the matter, my correct person, I wan first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside this channel they like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside our country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the update and you go get am sharp. Anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Alright, my correct person, back to the koko of the hour. The kind love and support wey the people of Idanre dem demonstrate for inside the campaign e make Governor Aiyedatiwa come dey overwhelmed. That is to say, joy come plenty for him belle well well. The governor come dey yarn say him dey very surprised say the people wey turn up dem plenty for inside the venue for the campaign. He come still yarn say the massive crowd wey show up for the campaign say na ogbonge assurance say the people of Idanre dey support am 100%. And he say but he must thank the leaders of their party wey be APC for inside Idanre for their support towards im patriotic ambition to move Ondo State go one kind ogbonge position wey be say other states for inside we country Nigeria go dey envy them. The governor constantly assure the people say any effort wey dey to make sure say development dey for inside Idanre they must make am, but make the people make dem continue to dey support am till im get victory both for the APC gubernatorial primary elections and the general elections wey go happen for inside November 2024. Normally my correct person, you know say campaign na the time of promises. Na so they go promise heaven and earth. Na so you go dey talk we go give you development we go make sure say we move the state go further we go do this one, we go do that one. But now when they don enter that seat, na be koko, because they go come forget say dem promise you something. Many of our politicians now for inside we country Nigeria, they like to dey do that rubbish. When time for campaign don reach, they go touch place wey we say their leg never touch before. But when they don't get that position now wey they dey find, they don lock up. They no go even remember say dem been promise person something. The development wey dem been yarn before, that one don cancel, and e no make sense at all. But e still get politicians for inside this our country Nigeria wey be say their mind dey wey be say if dem promise you something, that thing na confirm, they go do am. Just check out Governor Alex Oti now, and check out Fubara wey be say the people of the state now dem dey confess the love wey dem get for their governor based on say the man dey do well. So we just pray say this one now you follow for those kind of people wey be say their mind dey, make it not come now come promise heaven and earth. When you don become wetin you wan become now, they no go see heaven, they no go even see earth join. You understand? Meanwhile, my correct people, one chieftain of the All Progressive Congress for inside Ondo State, his name na Honorable Tajudeen Adefosoye. Him come dey assure the crowd wey show up for the campaign venue say Governor Aiyedatiwa say the man get high chance of winning the upcoming gubernatorial primary. And him dey also give kudos to the APC leaders and members for inside Idanre wey don dey support the governor since. Then Honorable Tajudeen now, wey many people know as Small Alhaji, he come dey describe Governor Aiyedatiwa as people's choice. He come dey assure Aiyedatiwa say the people of Idanre they go give am a maximum vote during the primary election. Say make him no just worry, say people of Idanre they don already decide to follow am, they don already decide to give am maximum support. Say make him just go relax. And he come dey give accolade and they appreciate Governor Aiyedatiwa for the listening ear and good governance wey don put for inside Ondo State since December 27, 2023, when he become the governor of the Sunshine State. And he come stay here, no my correct people, say Governor Aiyedatiwa deserve accolade sake of the ogbonge governance, transformative development, and sake of say he don make the welfare of the workers for inside Ondo State in priority. So those things now make am good leader. The kind men wey plaster for this Idanre campaign is massive. Ogbonge men show up. Leaders of the APC then turn up well. Like the member wey dey represent Ondo East, Ondo West for inside the House of Representatives, his name na Honorable Adeola Makinde, he show up. Former member of the House of Representatives wey name na Honorable Ade Adiogun, he show up. Mr. Tola Awosika wey be commissioner designate from Idanre im show up too. Honourable Sunday Akinwalere and Honourable Akinnayajo. Then other member now wey dey represent Idanre for inside Ondo State House of Assembly wey be Honourable Princess Tosin, Honourable Prince Kayode, Honourable Jide Akinroluyo, Honourable Henry Olatunja, Honourable Tuya, Honourable Salas and others dem. Now the men wey show up from the APC dem plenty o, but wetin surprise people be say the chairman of the All Progressives Congress for inside Ondo State dia gangan for Idanre, e no come out, as in e no dey for the campaign. So na so the koko be like Omakure person. When all these ones dey happen, the past governor of Kaduna State wey name na Malam Nasir El-Rufai, im don dey yarn say e no dey interested, as in e no suit am at all to come dey be godfather to any governor for inside any state for inside we country Nigeria. And im yarn this one now when dey talk to capacity enhancement workshop for senior government officials for inside Borno State on Monday. And im come still yarn Omakore people say since a year ago when im comot for office, say na only 5 times na im don enter Kaduna State. According to how dey talk take come out from im mouth, Omakore person, he say im no wan be godfather to anybody, na make im no dey like interfere for any matter wey dey happen for inside Kaduna. Say like this now, im want the governor to learn and to get the job done by himself. Say wetin dey lack na good leadership, and the major aspect of good quality of leadership. The leader supposed to get good people to get the job done. Say na only God na go fit do everything by himself. Say no matter how good person be as leader, say they go only dey effective if dem get good people around them. Na make dem dey yarn say country no fit better pass the quality of their civil services. So na so El-Rufai take yarn Omakore person, and you see the same El-Rufai na the one wey the administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey him help for power come tag as political threat. So this thing now come para El-Rufai well, but the man he still dey chill about the matter. The man now say na inside court na him go fight with our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now this in particular talk now wey come make countrymen their ear constant, they call the yarn say e no go bad at all, e go dey nice actually if im go collabo with Peter Obi. Say na guaranteed victory concerning the elections wey dey come up for inside 2027. But if El-Rufai now come decide to go join another party, e no go only worry Peter Obi, but e go worry our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Sake of the report wey dey come outside say El-Rufai im play major role to put our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the seat of president for inside we country Nigeria. So na so the koko be like Omakore person. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know very well say this na Anointed Lady TV, where they like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come Omakore person, you go dey get the update sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends abeg, so that them too they go get update on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you Omakore person. No go anywhere.